Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have another screen replacement for an Oppo device. This is the Oppo Reno Z. So let's check out the device, how we can fix this. And this is the first time that we're gonna feature this Reno Z in the channel. So it looks like the front display is mildly scratched, but really cracked. Right there at the middle, maybe it's got punctured by a blunt object. But we attempted to remove the back glass like what we do with other smartphones that we have repaired in the past few days. But the Oppo just has some attachments on the sides of the back casing that allows it to be directly removed without needing to melt the adhesives on the back glass. So the back glass is entirely decorative, if you say that, and we can access the internals through that. And we have removed the shroud that covers the motherboard, and this is the connector for the old display that we're gonna replace, and we're gonna test if the new display works in this one. This is a brand new display, and see if yep, it's working. And as you can see, if you have used Oppo before, this is like a new logo for the brand. And unfortunately guys, we can't show you the full boot up procedure since the wallpaper of the client is in display. We're attempting to keep their privacy and their photos off of the repair video. So we're just showing you some of the general interface on the device, and let's see how easy it is to remove the display. So the display is easily removable with minimal flex cable on its lower left side or right side, depending on where you look at it, and it's fairly clean. And here we set up the new replacement display, and we removed the adhesives that is attaching it, or was attaching it, because we're going to replace it with a new one right here. So you have to be very careful not to put too much or too little, because the adhesive also acts as a water deterrent to keep the water resistance of the device. And as we move along the sides and the corners and we reach the hump for the front camera, we make sure we don't touch that as well. We go around it like that, so it's like icing on the cake. And then we attach the new display. The smudges are clearly visible, but just a wipe away and it will look brand new, believe me. So as you can see, the Oppo Reno Z is easily serviceable, but still not really good for beginners. But enthusiasts can attempt to do this, because you don't have to remove the battery or the motherboard or even the daughter board, just the shroud and the bottom and the top, and you're ready to go. And even the back cover is really good since it's not held on by adhesive. We attempted to remove the back glass, but it's not even necessary. So right here, we're almost done. This is the power button. We're gonna test this before we attach the back cover, but if in case anything goes wrong, it's easily removable. And you can see there the Oppo logo, and as you can see, we can show you the whole booting procedure since the wallpaper of the client is fully displayed, and we don't want to show that here. So look at that, no need to put adhesives, just clicks on place and then the SIM card tray, and it's done. So in terms of repairability, it's easier than most Huawei smartphones that we featured on this channel. But if you want to be sure and you don't have the time to experiment with replacing your own display, and you don't want to waste your time and money in case you mess it up, then you can just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center to have your screen replaced for a very reasonable price. We don't really gouge out the prices. We're even offering rebates on cash payments. And even if you can't visit us, you can just send your smartphones through mail and we'll arrange a screen replacement service for you. So this is good. The rubber band is mainly for curing the adhesives on the front display. So that's it. It's all good. It's ready for the client. Just need a charge, and thanks you for joining me. Till next time, guys. Cheers.